I am going to share with you the ultimate strategy to be more disciplined. By the end of this video, you'll find it easier to cultivate discipline in your daily life. Tip number 1. Stop setting unreasonable goals. Your mind tends to panic at the sight of big, daunting goals. It feels threatened and overwhelmed. If a goal is too big, it can demotivate you, especially when you consider how long it will take to achieve it. Tip number 2. Set unquantifiable goals. What do I mean by this? When you're just beginning to build your discipline, it's best not to put specific numbers on your goals. Instead, focus on the actions. For example, with studying, instead of saying, "I will study for 5 hours a day," aim to study every single day. Even if you study for just 30 minutes, that's okay. The key is to ensure you study something by the end of the day. Without the pressure of studying for 5 hours, you'll likely find yourself studying for longer periods over time. Remember, discipline is a journey, not a destination. By setting realistic and action-oriented goals, you'll build a strong foundation for lasting discipline. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your discipline grow.